Welcome viewers, in this video we will see the important symbols available in the mathematics. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notifications. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Now we'll go to the topic symbols available in the mathematics. So this is nothing but a equal to. A equal to B means the A and B are equal. This is not equal. Both are not equal. This refers the less than. This is less than or equal. Here only less than, is not equal. It will the value is lesser. This will be lesser or equal also applicable. Similarly, greater than, greater, 10 greater than 50 means it is A greater than B means A is greater than the B, not equal to B. But in the next symbol it is greater than or equal. A greater than or equal to B means A may be greater than B or it may be equal to A or B also. Right? So less than or equal, less than or equal, greater than or equal. Then here these three lines that refer the similarly. If any process is there, we can use similarly. Then this refers the symmetric difference. This n refers natural number, w refers whole numbers, z refer integers, r refers the real numbers. Right? So if we have the process, the similar process available mean we can use this symbol. This is symmetric difference used in the sets. These are all the numbers: natural number, whole number, integer, real. N, W, Z and R. That refers the natural number, whole number, integer and real number. Now we'll go to the some more symbols. So this will equal to, equivalent to, right? First we refer the equal to, A equal to B means A is equal to B, but this is the equivalent. Both are equivalent, same process happen. This refers the union, is used in the sets and relations, union. This another one, this opposite of this intersection. Intersection means common to A and B, like that. Then universal, this U refers universal. This is refers the belongs to. Then if the one cross mark is there, mean not belongs to, right? This symbol refers proper subset of, refer the proper subset of. These are all coming under the sets, right? Union means common to A and B. Intersection means it is union means A and B, both the element, all the elements. Intersection means the common element between A and B, like that. Similarly, universal set, belongs to, does not, belongs to, proper set of. This refers the proper set of. Then this refers triangle. This symbol refers the angle, right? This is the perpendicular. Perpendicular means 90 degree. The symbol itself we can easily identify, 90 degree. This is parallel to. This A parallel to B means this refer parallel to. This symbol refers implies. Then therefore, 3 dots. If the 3 dot in reverse order means since or because, due to this. So therefore we can say like that. This is one statement is there, since, because of this, since or because, right? So this is coming under the triangular or some perpendicular. How the triangulars and others refers. Triangle, angle, perpendicular to, parallel to, implies, therefore and since or because. Now we'll go for some more symbols available in the mathematics. So this not belongs to, already we discussed. Proper subset. If you have one more line means subset of, right? This symbol refers proper subset. Symbol with one line refers the subset of. Then not a proper subset. This is the proper subset. One cross line is there means not a proper subset. Similarly, subset means this symbol. One cross mark there is not a subset of. This is refers summation. We are going to add all the terms. This symbol refers pi. Right? We are going to multiply all the terms. This is addition of all. This is multiplication of all. This therefore, since or because already given. This refers absolute value. These two lines within A, if you write absolute value. Absolute value means whether positive or negative, it will give only positive value. Right? Minus 10 means it will give to 10. So this is approximately equal to, right? The double line means equal, both the lines are, this sliding means equivalent to. One line is straight line, another line is inclined, means it is called a approximately equal to. It's not exactly equal, approximately equal. Three lines are mean identically equal to. Some properties are identically equal to. Two lines with one inclined mean concurrent. Then plus or minus, both are plus minus is there, both are there, plus or minus. We need to add as well as subtract, right? Addition will give one value, subtraction will give another value, right? So this is the not a proper subset, not a subset. Summation, sum of all value, pi, multiplication of all value. Absolute value, if it is positive or negative, it will give only positive. So this is approximately equal, identically equal, concurrent, plus or minus. So in this video we discuss about the important symbol available in the mathematics. Subscribe the channel for more videos and notification. Soft copy of this material available in the drive. The link is given in the description box. Thank you for listening.